horse right here and throw it up to the skies. If you throw it harder, it will fly further. Let's check it out again. You can see that it loops and it skies. Very cool plan. Wow! Wow! You see that? A very cool plan. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. The paper airplane is the new design and I hope you guys will enjoy making it. So first of all, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you do not have US letter size paper, again, use A4 paper. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Flatten the paper down. On the following step, let's start from this upper part of the paper first straight to this side. Let me adjust the paper first. Make sure that it stay nice. And here you go. Flatten it out. So I can fold it down now. On the following step, I am going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let me hold the paper and press this down. You can adjust it a little bit. Here we go. Let me flatten the paper down. Flip the paper over. Now I will start from the upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Alright, same thing for this side. Fold both sides to the center crease. Okay, and now let me flip the paper over. And I will start from this upper part. I fold straight down. Use this part as a reference. Okay. Flatten it down, flip it over, start from this upper part, fold down again. Adjust the paper if you need to. Now let me unfold the paper. Now let me flip it over again, and I'll start from this edge and this edge and fold both sides to the center crease. And now I can push this part of the paper down. Alright. So this is what we have. This looks pretty good. Okay. So now this is what we have so far. On the following step, I am going to unfold the paper again. And I will start from this part of the paper. I fold straight to this point. Remember, I fold straight to that point. Repeat the same fold for this side. I fold straight to this point. You can see the crease here. Just fold straight to the edge. Alright, and now let's put the paper back and do the same step. Same step, okay. Adjust it, part of the paper. Here we go, and push the paper down. Here we go. So this is what we have so far. It's looked really cool already. On the following step, you can see this part of the paper here. Right? I just fold it toward the center of the paper. So I'll fold straight here. Here we go. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for this side. Alright, so this is what I have. This looks really cool, right? Already cool. On the following step, I will fold the paper like this. And I will start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. And I fold this part of the paper backward. Same thing, I fold this one back to the center crease. Look at this. Look at the heads of the blend. This looks really cool. Right? Okay. Now on the following step, I'll fold this part of the paper out And you know how you fold the spirit dragon. This will be the similar style. But now I have this part as a preference to fold out, so I just make sure that this edge will parallel with the edge right here. So adjust it just a little bit, and then you can just press the paper down. Or you can adjust it a little bit more. I already pressed this down, so just leave it the way it is. And now I can fold the paper in half, and I'm going to repeat the same for this side. You can just fold this one out. You may just need to adjust it a little bit. If it is off, that's okay. We cannot make it 100% perfect. Here we go. So this is what we have. Okay, let me push it out. I may need to adjust this side just a little bit too. Let me see if I can adjust it a little bit more. Here we go. Guys, so this is what we have, guys. Under the following step, this is very easy. Let me flip the paper over, and you see creases here. That means I did a test on the plan already and improved the plan before I show you these steps. So when I finish at this point, the next step, I'm going to fold the paper in half, just like a regular spirit dragon, right? And now I just match this edge to the below edge here to create the wings. Once I finish one side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. So let me fold the wings out, and here you go. This is the plan, guys. On the following step, I'm going to create the stabilizers. This is very important to create a stabilizer to help the plane fly. And also you can curve this part of the plane up too, and then you can flatten it down. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. And make sure that you hold the plane right here. When you throw it up to the skies, the plane will do loops, and this is very awesome for this type of plane.